Every farmer in India has used this. A small white granule called DAP. It promises higher yield, faster growth, and better crops. But what if this same fertilizer is silently damaging your soil? Diammonium phosphate, commonly known as DAP, is one of the most widely used fertilizers in the world. It contains two essential nutrients, nitrogen and phosphorus. These nutrients are critical for plant growth and crop productivity. But the real question is DAP a blessing or a hidden danger? DAP is a chemical compound. It contains 18% nitrogen and 46% phosphorus. Phosphorus helps in strong root development, while nitrogen promotes leaf growth and overall plant health. When dissolved in water, DAP is quickly absorbed by plants. That is why farmers see faster results. To understand DAP, we must go back to its origin. It all begins deep inside the earth. Phosphate rock is mined and processed. From this, phosphoric acid is produced. Another key ingredient, ammonia, is made using natural gas. These raw materials travel through massive industrial systems and finally come together to form DAP. Inside fertilizer factories, a powerful chemical reaction takes place. Ammonia reacts with phosphoric acid and forms diammonium phosphate. This reaction produces a hot slurry. This slurry is then transformed into solid granules. Through drying, cooling, and screening, these granules are packed and transported across the country. From factory to farm, DAP has played a major role in increasing crop production. It helps plants develop strong roots. It improves early growth and increases overall yield. For crops like rice, wheat, and maize, DAP has become an essential input for millions of farmers. But there is another side that many people ignore. Excessive use of DAP can harm the soil. It reduces beneficial microorganisms and creates nutrient imbalance. Over time, the soil loses its natural fertility. Water bodies get polluted, and ecosystems are affected. What once helped can slowly destroy. Many farmers are now noticing the change. Earlier, the soil was rich, but now it needs more fertilizer every year. This is called dependency, and it is growing. So what is the solution? Organic farming improves soil health, but takes time. Chemical fertilizers give fast results, but may harm in the long term. The answer lies in balance. Integrated farming is the future. DAP is not your enemy, but misuse can destroy the very soil we depend on. The future of farming is not just about yield. It is about sustainability, balance, and responsibility. The choice is in our hands.